Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. What is PCOS connection with this endometrial hyperplasia condition? Right, so here we will be discussing in detail how PCOS can cause or can maintain endometrial hyperplasia conditions for a longer period of time, right? You know that PCOS has GnRH pulsation differences, that is, there is difference in the release of GnRH. This causes release of, usually what happens is the brain secretes GnRH. GnRH helps in secretion of LH and FSH. Both of them help in ovulation, and then during the process of ovulation there is release of estrogen, and after ovulation there is a release of estrogen from corpus luteum by progesterone, right? So what happens in PCOS? There is difference in secretions of GnRH, which causes LH to rise. You're understanding, right? Which causes LH to rise and FSH to fall down. So what happens if FSH is falling down? There is no maturation of the eggs in the ovary. Whenever there is no maturation of eggs in the ovary, egg is not released because there is no maturation. After egg is released, the excess one or the corpus luteum will secrete progesterone, right? If there is no egg itself is not releasing, that is anovulatory cycles, what will happen? The progesterone is dropped out. Because there is improper maturation of the ovaries or improper maturation of the eggs or the ovum as such in the ovary, what happens? Estrogen is there, and apart from that, estrogen is also secreted in abundance in the adipose tissue, that is in the fat tissue. E1 is secreted, so there is increase in E1 and drop in progesterone. Whenever there is drop in progesterone, what will happen? Estrogen hormone as such helps in getting the endometrial layer to get thickened, but progesterone also helps in shedding the layer, cutting down the layer and shedding it off, right? But whenever there is no progesterone, the thickness is not maintained. What happens is progesterone and estrogen, they work together so as to maintain the normal thickness. Whenever there is drop in this progesterone, or normal estrogen with drop of progesterone, or normal progesterone with increase in estrogen, any of these conditions, the endometrial layer is not properly forming, right? Whenever there is no proper formation and no check on its thickness, what happens? It becomes very thickened, and then what happens? There is risk for developing cancer in very rare cases, okay? Very rare cases it can develop into cancer, and that irregular endometrial thickness or too much of endometrial thickness can cause irregular bleeding, or as we call abnormal uterine bleeding. Now we get to the consultation part. We have understood how homeopathy is a better choice in lifestyle disorders. Now I'll be explaining to you how Fidicus Homeopathy is much better choice. Here at Fidicus Homeopathy, in consultation options, we have two kinds of options, one being online, the other being in person or the offline consultation. If you are someone who is staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person and take doctor consultation. If you are someone who is staying far away from us, you can contact us online either through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. After taking doctor consultation and after carefully inspecting your investigation reports, especially to the online clients, medicines will be home delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. Apart from that, anywhere in the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us, WhatsApp us, or messages on us on this number. Apart from that, if you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're someone who is suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, then Fidicus Homeopathy is the answer. Why should you be choosing Fidicus Homeopathy? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health, and here we follow 3 basic major principles. What are they? First one, we are experiencing high success rate in treating cases like endometriosis, adenomyosis, dysmenorrhea, cervical erosion, bulky uterus, endometrial hyperplasia, PCOD, PCOS, and even cases which contain ovarian cysts. So we're having high success rate in this. Apart from that, the treatment here is transparent. That is, there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be giving you a perfect picture of your prognosis as well. And then the personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch, because here we will be educating you on all the symptoms that you develop. Any of your queries or questions will be answered. So if you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure, choose Fidicus Homeopathy.